How to block unknown calls on WhatsApp. Fed up with all the unknown calls on WhatsApp, but don't know how to block it? Here's a quick guide to do. Without much ado, let's get started. Launch the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Ensure to log in or sign in to your particular account on WhatsApp. Tap on three dots at top right corner of the screen. On the drop-down box, select Settings. Tap on Privacy in the Settings section. Scroll a bit down. Select Calls. Ensure to toggle on the button to silence unknown callers. Once you have done that, you will easily block unknown calls on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Subscribe and press the notification bell for more tech and tips. And thank you for watching.